Hello everyone, myself Sopan Joshi. Welcome to my YouTube channel SJ Commerce Classes. Today we will learn class 11th accountancy. What do you mean by accounting or accountancy? This concept today we will clear. See, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and event which are in a part at least of a financial character and interpreting the result thereof. Means this definition of accounting is divided into some parts like recording, classifying, summarizing, terms of money, transactions, event, financial character, and interpreting the result. So we can check this all the points in detail. So let us understand in detail. It is the art of recording. Means this accounting is the art of recording. See, we can record the transaction as per the date wise record, exact amount is recorded, name of the parties involved is recorded, a journal is prepared for recording, or for this we can prepare one book, journal is the prime book where we record all the financial transaction in the chronological order. It is the art of classifying. Whenever transaction occur at that time we can classify. See, record are classified into different groups. These groups are called ledger. Whenever we are recording this transaction in the journal, after journal we can classify this all transaction in different groups. Means related to case we can record in case account, related to bank we can record in bank account. These different accounts are covered in one book and this book is known as a ledger. For example, case account, bank account, machine account, building account, land account, salary account, expense account, etc. Point number third, it is the art of summarizing. Whatever transaction we have recorded in journal, ledger, as per this, at last we can generate the financial statement. So, trial balance, profit and loss account and balance sheet. This trial balance is a one type of statement showing the balances, debit and credit balance of every account. This profit and loss account so the name of profit and loss account is another name of profit and loss account is income statement. From this P&L account we can check the earning capacity of the firm, and balance sheet showing in the financial performance of the firm or financial position of the firm. बैलेंस शीट के ऊपर से पता चलता है कि फर्म के पास टोटल कितनी असेट्स है, कितनी लायबिलिटी है, कैपिटल कितना है. सो इट इज द आर्ट ऑफ समराइजिंग ऑल्सो. इट रिकॉर्ड ओनली monetary transaction. Whenever we are recording this all transaction in accounting, only financial transaction are recorded. Those transactions are measured in terms of money are recorded in books of account. See, only financial transaction events can be recorded in accounts. For example, building worth rupees 2 lakh is purchased. Here we cannot record quantity. Here we record the amount, measurement, जो उसकी वैल्यू होगी वो. It interpret the result, help in understanding the result provided by account, helps in taking right decision, telling public about the performance of the business. Through this financial statement we can interpret that what is the financial condition of the firm, how many assets are having about liability. Okay, and in future we, this financial information helpful to taking a right decision. So as per this, if we let us sum up, then accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transaction and event which are in a part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the result thereof is known as accounting. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन, शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल for more and more commerce related video. We have already issued a video related to standard 12th BS and OC, accountancy related also, and we are starting to upload video related to this 11th accountancy and 11th BS. So stay safe, take care, keep in touch.